Installing a mid-plate assembly. Note: you might need to update the firmware or driver after replacing a component. Install lift handles on the mid-plate. Note: there are 6 studs for the installation of each lift handle. The stud locations are now shown. Press the latches on the top and bottom of the lift handle. Align the slots on the lift handle with the posts on the mid-plate, and then install the lift handle on the mid-plate. Slide the lift handle towards the center of the mid-plate to secure it in place. Holding the lift handles, align the mid-plate assembly with the 3 guide pins in the enclosure, and then install the assembly. There are triangle markings on the inner sides of the enclosure. When the corners of the triangles meet the edge of the mid-plate assembly will be installed correctly. Note: extended PH2 screwdriver is required for this operation. With an extended screwdriver, fasten the 16 PH2 captive screws to secure the mid-plate assembly to the enclosure. Press the latches on the top and bottom of the lift handle. Slide the lift handle toward the edge of the mid-plate, and then remove it. Reinstall the following components back in the enclosure: manifold, PCS cages, PCS, SMM3, blank filler, the trays into the front of the enclosure. Refer to the following videos for the procedures. Installing a manifold. Installing PCS, power conversion station, cages. Installing a PCS, power conversion station. Installing a DWC tray in the enclosure.